guys, Marisa Stone here from the Systems Lounge, and I'm super excited. I received this. The black box from ClickFunnels has arrived, and I want to open it while you guys get to watch and look over my shoulders. So the first thing that it says is, stop, call this number. So when you stop and call this number, let's actually do that right now. We will be able to see, let's see. Oh, so it says stop and text this number. Text the word black box to 720-575-5755. Black box, one word. And so we are going to text that. And what is going to happen is that it says, thanks so much for getting your copy of the Funnel Hacker Black Box. I just made this quick video to say thanks. And there's a video. So that's pretty cool. So you can listen to that video and he kind of walks you through some of the things you're going to find inside the black box. But let's dive in. Let's open this. So, wow, it's heavy. So here's the black box. I'm going to set this over there. So here's the black box. The first thing that I find when I open it are a bunch of different little flyers like this. One is talking about funnel consulting, funnel scripts, your ticket to this free instant funnel hacks class, and then a thank you card for getting your copy. You've made a great decision. I'm so excited to give you this copy of Expert Secrets. This book will help you find your message, build your tribe, and change the world. So he sends you a thank you. He says that you can join the community. So this is a great little thank you. And then you have the quick start guide. The quick start guide helps you go through everything that is inside the black box and make sure you don't leave anything out. So that's super cool. The next thing is a sticker that you can put on your laptop or your phone, like there's a smaller one, Funnel Hacker. There's all kinds of things you can do with this sticker to let everybody in your world know, or your network know, that, hey, you're a funnel hacker now. There is also the Funnel Hacker Manifesto. Now, if you have not yet seen or read the Funnel Hacker Manifesto, it's actually pretty cool. A funnel hacker is a new breed of entrepreneur, smarter, leaner, faster, and free. Funnel hackers wage guerrilla war against the big brands and win. Funnel hackers start without a safety net. Venture capital is a 4-letter word, and bootstrap is their middle name. Funnel hackers never go public because their products serve the public, not a board of directors. Funnel hackers never ask for permission and are never shackled to investors. A funnel hacker creates value and puts ethics before conversions. If you ask the MBAs or look at your college textbooks, they'll tell you that what funnel hackers are doing is impossible, yet it's happening every single day. Funnel hackers define their own destiny, create their own luck, build their own empires, and change the world. Funnel hackers are motivated, knowing that they are just one funnel away. I am a funnel hacker. So there you go. There's your manifesto. And then here are some stickers that are smaller ones. So, and it's a little mini manifesto. I am a funnel hacker. I define my own destiny. I create my own luck. I build my own empires. I change the world. I am just one funnel away. So those are some great stickers that you can help, that you can use to let your audience know what you do. So the first thing that I am pulling up is to fill your funnel secrets. This is a great little book that has all sorts of drawings. It talks about old media versus new media. your funnel and how to nail it so that you can scale it. There's all kinds of great information inside this little book. If no one shows up to your funnel, you can't sell anything. So don't waste your time. Actually get, I hope this traffic blueprint will finally help you achieve your dreams. So this is your traffic blueprint. Then we have ClickFunnels Secrets. And this is another great book that kind of goes through, it's kind of a mini version of the ClickFunnels product. So this tells you everything you need to know. If you're not sure where to find something, you can pop into this book and look for it, and it'll show you exactly where to find it inside the ClickFunnels product. The next thing is Brunson's Secret Sketches. And I love these little sketches because it helps you to really wrap your brain around what you're trying to do. So this is really cool because the whole thing is full of his sketches. So that's really a cool addition to this black box. The next little book is called Actionetics Secrets. If you have not yet used Actionetics, Actionetics is actually the email provider inside of ClickFunnels so that you can reach out and follow up with your tribe. And so this basically takes you through all the little secrets to using Actionetics, which is kind of cool. And then we come to the books. This is so awesome. I am so super excited to have the books. I am about halfway through Expert Secrets. I keep going back and reworking things and applying what I'm learning inside Expert Secrets. So it's taking me entirely too long to read this book. But I am learning so much, and I believe in hands-on application when you're doing it. And so as I'm going through this product, I am also reading, and that's working out really well for me because I can then set myself up for success as I go through the process of building my funnel. So that's the black box and all the goodies inside. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you get your black box. You can click on the link below and purchase your own black box, and I will see you inside ClickFunnels. Bye, everyone.